Hello traders. In this video, we are exploring the concept of reclaimed order blocks. This is a price action and institutional order flow idea that focuses on zones where an existing order block is revisited and then defended again, reinforcing its role as support or resistance. On the chart, an order block is typically marked as a zone or rectangle around the last opposite candle before a strong impulsive move, defining where large institutional orders were likely executed. A reclaimed order block appears when price returns to that previously defined zone and then clearly rejects it, moving back in the original direction of the impulse. Visually, you see price re-enter the zone, print a rejection candle such as a pin bar or engulfing pattern, and then push away, signaling that institutional interest is still present and the block has been reclaimed. This sequence implies that the area remains a significant demand or supply zone rather than having been invalidated, giving the block added weight as a structural level. For this concept, the time frame used to define the original order block, the clarity of the impulse move away from it, and the criteria used to classify a valid rejection candle on retest are the key concepts or the key settings. You also choose how you mark the zone on the chart using the high and low of the defining candle and whether you bring in supporting tools like volume or momentum indicators for confluence. Time frame alignment is another component, often involving identifying reclaimed blocks on higher time frames and refining entries on lower time frames. As for who is for, reclaimed order blocks are suited to traders who study institutional concepts, supply and demand, and price structure, particularly those comfortable working with multi-time frame analysis. The idea is conceptual and analytical only. It does not involve an automated tool executing trades, and every setup should be filtered through risk management, broader context, and additional confirmation. Misidentifying zones, trading around major news, or treating every retest as valid can lead to false assumptions, and reclaimed order blocks are more reliable on higher time frames where noise is reduced. The learn more link is in the description below. You can dive deeper into reclaimed order blocks and related institutional concepts at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you stay updated with future educational contents.